Sorry, I'm so busy and I'm just studying a lot. And this is my sexy, hot, geeky makeup look. Hello Bellas, welcome to my channel. And guys, today I am going to work and I'm going to show you how I am getting ready for work. And if you're going to work, it doesn't mean that you doesn't need to look good at all times. You don't need to feel down about yourself if you're a geek, because there's something that you can do to look hot. Just follow my instructions and watch this video so you would know how I created this hot geeky girl makeup. You know guys, there's nothing wrong for being a geek or a nerd, but if you like hot and sexy, then you can be in control. So going out from your office, you have to be ready at all times so you can always look slick, gorgeous, and hot. And if you are interested for looking like this, from that, then this is for you. So onto my makeup, I'm going to have a NARS Radiance primer, and I'm going to mix it with my strobe cream hydratant luminous from MAC. And these two is a good combination so that you would have that dewy application of your foundation. By the way, before using my primer, I'm going to have an eye brightener. This is from Sante. So here's my primer and I'm gonna mix it together. Let me put my hair at the back. So apply it all over your face. And today I will be using a MAC Face and Body Foundation. Just apply your foundation just like a dot all over. I'm just going to have a minimal foundation because I'm gonna have to do my eyeshadow first, so if there is any fallout, it's just easy to take it off. But if you put your foundation and finish it up and set it up, it's really hard to clean up all the fallout. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Laura Mercier eye base. And afterwards, you can use a Revlon concealer on top of your eye base. And now I am going to apply my MAC eyeshadow palette in burgundy. Since I am going to be a hot geeky girl, I will try to do some smoky eyes. So after smoking up your eyeshadow, you just have to apply a gold shimmer here at the center part of your eyelid. So after blending up my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead with my Revlon concealer to have my concealer under my eyes. Just always use a triangular shape for your concealer, and also put something here at the center of your nose and on your cupid's bow, and here at the side of your mouth, and here in your chin. So that's enough, and then you can just blend it by your finger. So continue blending up your concealer until you get that smooth finish. And then after your concealer, I'm gonna use a Prep and Prime Maybelline Click highlighter. I really love some highlights here, and also at this side, and here at the center of my nose, and here also, and here, and here, and also here at the sides of my eyes. And also the rest I wanted to put somewhere here so I could have that B-line getting into my cheekbone. And use this triangular sponge to blend everything up. So after your highlighter from MAC and you blend it well, you could just have to set up everything up and just dab it softly into your skin, especially here at the T-zone. So once you're done with setting up your foundation, your concealer, and your highlighter, you just have to put your falsies. So after my falsies, I'm gonna go ahead with my MAC bronzing powder. And after my bronzer, I'm gonna brush my eyebrow in an upward position, since I just really wanted my eyebrow to just be natural and bushy, and I don't want it to really do something drastic into my eyebrow. Just always go to the center and then go down to the tail. Just follow the strands of your eyebrow hair, and that's it. And you don't need to do so much into your eyebrow. And after my eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner to highlight my smoky eyes. So after my Hyper Sharp eyeliner from Maybelline, I'm gonna go ahead with my Revlon blusher. So after my Revlon blusher, I'm going to have my shimmer highlights. And to have that angelic eyes, because you have that harsh, smoky eyeshadow, you just have to have this NYX white eyeliner. This is a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon. So now I'm going to have my MAC lip pencil and just have to draw my lips. So after my lip pencil, I'm going to have my MAC Love Me lipstick. Color Love Me lipstick. And now I'm gonna go ahead with my lip gloss. I'm gonna be applying my lip gloss my other half. That's it for my lips. Sexy, juicy lips. And I'm gonna have my volume length mascara from Maybelline. So for my final touch of my makeup, I just wanted to clean up everything and polish it up with a little loose powder and just go through one more time to an area where you think that you have some harsh line, and try to take all the harsh line in your makeup. And to keep that glow, you have to use this MAC Fix setting spray. It has a vitamin C. So guys, this is the final result of my makeup. Hope you like it. This is my version of a hot, geeky girl who loves to study and go to work. So to complete that look, let me do something. So from this image to this hot, geeky girl. So Bellas, hopefully you like this geeky makeup look for today. This is what I usually wear when I go to work, and I always have this glass on. No one will stop you to look great and to look sexy and gorgeous all the time, even if you are working, studying, and doing something in your office or in your school. So I hope you like this kind of image, because I truly like it, and I feel like I'm always in control because I wanted to be the boss all the time. So this is my bossy, nerdy makeup look. Hopefully you like it, and if you do like me, you know what to do. Just like and subscribe on my channel and push that notification bell so you can follow me in all of my videos. So guys, I am ready to go. See you and be in control. Bye!